the unseen world, realities beyond the visible. Let's consider the electromagnetic spectrum as a metaphor for existence itself. Just as there are frequencies of light we cannot see, might there be dimensions, realms, or realities beyond our current understanding? In esoteric traditions, there's a belief in planes of existence that are beyond the physical. The astral plane, the etheric body, the spiritual realms, these concepts echo across cultures and epochs, suggesting a shared understanding that reality is more than what meets the eye. Science, too, hints at these hidden realms. Quantum mechanics suggests that particles can exist in multiple states at once, and that observation itself can alter reality. Could it be that we are only scratching the surface of a much deeper, more complex universe? Philosophical implications: what is reality? When we consider these unseen spectrums, we must also question the nature of reality itself. If our perception is limited, then what we call reality might be just one version of many, a construct shaped by our senses and the boundaries of our understanding. Plato's allegory of the cave is a powerful metaphor for this idea. In the allegory, prisoners are chained in a cave, able to see only the shadows on the wall. For them, the shadows are reality, even though they are only a dim reflection of the true world outside. Are we, too, prisoners in a cave, mistaking shadows for reality? If we could break free from the confines of the visible spectrum, what would we see? What truths lie beyond the shadows? Metaphysical realms, the hidden dimensions. The idea of hidden dimensions has fascinated both scientists and mystics for centuries. In physics, theories like string theory suggest the existence of additional dimensions beyond the familiar three. These dimensions are not merely mathematical constructs but could represent actual realities, folded into the fabric of the universe. In spiritual traditions, these dimensions are often described as planes of existence, each with its own vibrational frequency, each home to different forms of life and consciousness. The idea of a multidimensional universe is not just a scientific hypothesis, it's a spiritual reality for many. What if beings, entities, or energies exist in these hidden dimensions, just as real as we are, but invisible to us? Could these entities be what we refer to as spirits, angels, or other metaphysical beings? And if so, how do they interact with our world? The mystical experience, tapping into the unseen. Throughout history, mystics and seekers have attempted to transcend the limits of ordinary perception. Through meditation, ritual, and altered states of consciousness, they've sought to access these other realities, to see beyond the visible spectrum. The mystical experience is often described as a journey beyond the physical world, into realms of light, energy, and pure consciousness. These experiences are deeply personal and transformative, offering glimpses of a reality that lies beyond the ordinary. For some, these experiences are a way to connect with the divine. For others, they are a path to self-discovery and inner truth. But for all, they are a reminder that reality is not limited to what we can see. Bridging science and mysticism, a unified theory of reality. As we explore these ideas, we find that science and mysticism are not as far apart as they might seem. Both seek to understand the nature of reality, though they approach it from different angles. Quantum mechanics suggests that reality is not fixed but is shaped by the observer. This idea echoes ancient spiritual teachings, which have long held that consciousness is fundamental to the universe. The holographic universe theory, which posits that the entire universe is contained in every part, also resonates with mystical concepts. In many spiritual traditions, the idea that as above, so below reflects the belief that the microcosm and the macrocosm are connected, that every part contains the whole. Perhaps, in the end, science and mysticism are two sides of the same coin, both striving to peel back the layers of reality, to see beyond the visible spectrum, and to understand the true nature of existence. As we come to the end of this journey, we are left with more questions than answers. What lies beyond the visible spectrum? What realities exist just out of reach, waiting to be discovered? And how might our understanding of the world change if we could perceive more? These questions invite us to expand our perception, to look beyond the surface of things, and to explore the deeper mysteries of existence. They remind us that reality is not fixed, but fluid, shaped by our consciousness and our willingness to see beyond the ordinary. In the end, the journey to understanding these hidden realities is not just about seeing more, but about being more open, more aware, more connected to the infinite possibilities that lie beyond the visible spectrum. So, as we move through our lives, let us remember that what we see is just the beginning. There is so much more to discover, if only we have the courage to look beyond the light, into the vast, unseen realms that await us. As we journey further into the realms beyond our immediate perception, we encounter a fascinating world of hidden frequencies. These are the wavelengths of existence that extend beyond the visible spectrum, encompassing ultraviolet, infrared, and radio waves. While these frequencies are invisible to our naked eye, they are integral to our understanding of the universe. Ultraviolet light, for instance, plays a crucial role in processes like photosynthesis and vitamin D production, even though we cannot see it directly. Infrared radiation, on the other hand, is essential for understanding thermal phenomena and the heat signatures of objects. Both of these invisible forms of light shape our world in profound ways, highlighting how much there is to explore beyond what we can see. The radio waves that travel through the air carry signals that enable communication across vast distances, yet remain unseen, penetrating through walls and barriers. What other hidden frequencies might there be, influencing our reality in ways we cannot yet measure? What if there are realms of existence operating on frequencies so subtle that they remain beyond the reach of our current technology? In exploring these hidden frequencies, we find intriguing intersections between science and spirituality. Many spiritual traditions speak of a vibrational reality, a world of energies and frequencies that transcend the physical. These traditions often describe a universe where everything is interconnected through subtle energies, much like the unseen frequencies of light and sound. Modern science, particularly in fields like quantum physics, begins to echo these ancient insights. Quantum entanglement, for instance, suggests that particles can be linked across vast distances, influencing each other instantaneously. This phenomenon hints at a deeper, interconnected reality, where boundaries dissolve and everything is interwoven in a web of cosmic relationships. Could it be that these scientific discoveries are revealing aspects of a spiritual truth, that the universe is fundamentally unified and interconnected? As we delve into these ideas, we uncover a rich tapestry of understanding that bridges the gap between the seen and the unseen. The metaphysical perspective offers profound insights into the nature of existence, exploring realms that extend beyond the physical. Esoteric traditions often speak of higher planes of reality, where consciousness operates on different levels. These planes are described as vibrational frequencies, each with its own characteristics and forms of life. In many spiritual practices, meditation and other contemplative techniques are used to access these higher planes, providing glimpses of a reality that transcends ordinary perception. Such experiences can be transformative, offering new insights into the nature of the self and the universe. They suggest that our reality is just one layer of a much larger, more complex tapestry of existence. If we could expand our perception, what other layers might we discover? What truths lie hidden in these higher planes, waiting to be revealed? As we continue our quest for knowledge, we are reminded of the vastness of the universe and the limits of our current understanding. Scientific advancements and spiritual insights are pushing the boundaries of what we know, revealing new dimensions of reality. The quest for knowledge is a journey of exploration and discovery, driven by a deep curiosity about the nature of existence. By expanding our horizons, we open ourselves to new possibilities and new ways of understanding the world. This journey requires courage and openness, a willingness to embrace the unknown and explore the mysteries that lie beyond the visible spectrum. As we venture into these unknown realms, we find that the quest for knowledge is not just about uncovering facts but about deepening our connection to the universe. It is a journey of both the mind and the spirit, seeking to understand the profound truths that lie at the heart of existence. As we conclude this exploration of realities between visible spectrums, we are left with a sense of wonder and possibility. The unseen realms we have discussed are not just abstract concepts but real aspects of our universe, waiting to be explored and understood. Our journey through these hidden frequencies and dimensions is just beginning. There is so much more to discover, and each step we take brings us closer to understanding the true nature of reality. Let us carry forward the insights we have gained and continue to explore the mysteries that lie beyond the visible spectrum. In our quest for knowledge, we remain ever curious, ever open, and ever willing to embrace the infinite possibilities that await us. Thank you for joining me on this profound journey. If you found this exploration enlightening, please consider subscribing and continuing with us as we delve deeper into the mysteries of existence. Together, we can uncover the secrets of the universe, one spectrum at a time.